Are you beginner lash tech? Are you struggling to make your own volume fans? These little glue rings are amazing to help you make your own volume fans. You can buy them on Amazon, Shein, AliExpress. They're readily available. They're really cheap. I'm Sarah Naylor and I'm going to teach you how to nail it in the hair and beauty industry. If you pick up a bunch of lashes, I recommend using 0.3 or 0.7 diameter, and don't pick up any more than 10 or 15 lashes at a time. Pick up your bunch of lashes, stick the base of them into the glue, pinch them nice and tight together with your tweezers, and then rub them through that little crevice of the glue ring and rub it side to side, and that will create this spike at the end of the volume fan. And then when you're finished, give it a good shake, let the glue set before you let them sit on the ground. So you can see now there's the volume fan made. Pick it up, give it a little wave for about 5 seconds to let the glue set, and then your volume fan will be ready to go. Pre-make these in advance of any of your appointments. Follow me for more tips.